Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most popular supplements in the fitness world, creatine. If you want more strength, better workouts, and faster muscle growth, this video is for you. First, let's understand what creatine actually does. Creatine is a natural compound that is already present in your muscles. When you take creatine as a supplement, it increases the amount stored in your muscles. This helps your body produce more energy during high-intensity exercises like weightlifting, sprinting, or intense training. The first major benefit is increased strength and power. Creatine helps your muscles produce quick energy, allowing you to lift heavier weights and perform better during explosive movements. That means better performance in the gym. The second benefit is improved workout performance. When your muscles have more energy available, you can push harder, train longer, and complete more reps. Over time, this leads to better progress and improved endurance during intense workouts. The third benefit is muscle growth. Creatine helps increase muscle protein synthesis, which supports muscle building. It also helps your muscles hold more water, making them look fuller and stronger while supporting long-term muscle gains. And interestingly, creatine is not just for muscles. It may also support brain health. Some studies show that creatine can help reduce mental fatigue and improve focus, which means it may benefit both your physical and mental performance. So if your goal is to build muscle, increase strength, and improve overall performance, creatine can be a very effective supplement when used properly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fitness and health content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.